This is what stood out for me massively when I joined this blueprint and this community. Let me share it with you. Oh, this still blows my mind to this day, because when I first started, I was spending hours and hours during the evening trying to manage a business, an affiliate marketing business. It wasn't until I found this blueprint and this mentorship that I realized that it was a better way, a far better way. Believe me, we get taught a 2-hour workday. So I get a fully automated business working for me 24/7, and I only work 2 hours a day for it. And when I joined, I had a fully functioning website up and running within, actually, we say 24 to 48 hours. I got mine in about 24 hours. So that was just amazing, because the company builds the website for you. You haven't got to be tech savvy at all. The company builds the website for you. You get a fully automated email autoresponder system given to you by our community with the funnels that work for six-figure earners. All you have to do is press 2 buttons, and they all get transferred into your free software that we give you the link for. It absolutely blows me away that I can do this and create a business by only working 2 hours a day. And I get daily videos from the mentor as well within this community. I get daily videos with clear, actionable steps that I need to take my business to the next level. And if you're coachable, guys, if you're coachable and you turn up for this, and you can really visualize where you want to be, and you take actions to get there, you will get there. Just be coachable, turn up, take action, listen to the information and the education, and follow the blueprint. You can achieve your dreams, my friends. You really can. And I mean that, and I'm so excited for my future, and I'm loving every moment of this. This is a breath of fresh air in an online business. Believe me, I've been the other side where I've struggled and I've come close to throwing in the towel. Now I'm part of a community of like-minded people who are all pulling in the same direction, and we share ideas, and we're all passionate about what we're doing, because we know this blueprint is changing lives. It's changing lives of people in our community every day. So why can't it for you as well? Please, if you want to learn more about this, drop a 1 below, and I'd love to share it with you. Speak to you soon.